Hey everyone, welcome to the Prestige AI channel. If you're an auditor or accountant tired of manual checks eating up your day, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into a hands-on tutorial for our Finsight bot, the AI powerhouse that automates your IFRS for SMEs financial statement reviews. Quick heads up, head to prestigeai.tech and sign up for free. New users get $5 in credits to try it out right away. It's pay per use, so no big commitments, just smart tools when you need them. All right, let's log in and get started. Once you're logged into your dashboard, spot the Finsight tile. Boom, one click and it's open. Or from the left sidebar under AI Bots, just select Finsight. Super straightforward. Finsight is built for IFRS for SMEs statements. Upload yours, and it runs deep checks on spelling, consistency, calculations, disclosures, and more. It'll work with elements of full IFRS or US GAAP, too, but our checklists are SME-tuned for precision. Once in Finsight, you will see two options: upload new statements or view previous reports. Let's go with a fresh upload to see it in action. Once you click, an input form will appear. Here, you need to fill in the basics. For client name, let's use Alpha Mining SA Pty Limited. Let's set financial year end at 28 February 2023. Please mind the format that needs to be used. For version, let's use a unique identifier, version 4.1. Then you need to set materiality levels. Let's set overall at 800,000. Performance materiality at 640,000 and the trivial threshold at 32,000. Lastly, select your currency and language. Let's use Rand as the company is located in South Africa and Colonial English. Now, upload your PDF set of financial statements. Drag and drop or browse. Simple. Next, click the Submit for Analysis button and processing will start. A loading bar appears. Financial statements are being processed. This takes up to 10 minutes depending on complexity. Grab a coffee, catch up on news or mails, or multitask elsewhere. You can even navigate away. The system saves your spot. Just return later via View Previous Reports to pick up where you left off. Once processing is complete, you arrive at the dashboard where you can initiate one of our 5 powerhouse analyses bots. Run them one by one, or smash Run All Missing Reports to fire them off simultaneously. The status will shift to orange Processing, then green Completed when ready. Heads up, these bots do take a bit of time to deliver their magic. Anywhere from 1 to 8 minutes, depending on the bot type and how complex your financial statements are. Our disclosure checklists usually clock in the longest, but trust me, the thorough, pro-level results are absolutely worth the wait. Grab a coffee or tackle another task, and when you're ready, just hop back in via View Previous Reports to view your completed analyses. Once the analyses are complete, use the drop-down at the top to select the format you prefer, PDF or Word. Then, simply click the buttons to view or download the working papers that the bot created. Let us briefly break down what each of these bots do. First up, spelling and grammar checks. Ditch the limitations of basic word tools. This bot is in a different league, diving way deeper with context-aware AI that catches everything from outright spelling errors to subtle subject-verb disagreements, missing articles in awkward constructions, inconsistent terminology, singular, plural mismatches, redundant phrasing, ambiguous or misleading wording, and even contradictory sentences lurking in your notes. It also flags inconsistent styling, stray characters, missing commas or auxiliary verbs, and hyphenation slip-ups in compound modifiers. For all matters identified, the bot serves up smart suggestions to refine your wording for that polished, professional edge. Say goodbye to embarrassing oversights and hello to flawless financial statements that impress every time. Next, internal consistency checks. Say goodbye to manual cross-referencing. This bot is your vigilant guardian, meticulously verifying that every line item on the Statement of Financial Position, Statement of Comprehensive Income, Statement of Changes in Equity, and Statement of Cash Flows ties flawlessly to the corresponding totals and disclosures in the notes. It also scans for orphaned items, those appearing on the face of the financial statements without proper note backing, and then evaluates whether a separate note is required in terms of financial reporting standards, taking into account materiality levels. Then, the Casts and Calculations checker, delivered in 5 dedicated reports. It recalculates every total, subtotal, and crosscast across the Statement of Financial Position, Statement of Comprehensive Income, Statement of Cash Flows, Statement of Changes in Equity, and each of the notes to the financial statements. It documents how each of these amounts were recalculated and flags any differences identified. Our crown jewel and hands down our most powerful tool, the disclosure checklists. Split into 2 in-depth reports, it meticulously audits every nuance of IFRS for SMEs across sections 3 to 7 and 8 through 34, delivering a gold standard roadmap to full compliance. This isn't a quick scan, it's a forensic deep dive that verifies the presence, accuracy, and completeness of every required disclosure. Drawing from your uploaded statements, it cross-references against the framework's exact requirements, flagging omissions like missing related party breakdowns or inaccurate fair value hierarchies, while noting inapplicable sections to keep things laser-focused and efficient. The result? Professional, audit-ready working papers that not only document your compliance journey with transparent tick marks and rationale, but also boost your reporting's credibility. Imagine slashing compliance reviews from days to minutes. Finally, other specialist checks. This isn't just a tick box routine, it's your elite audit sidekick, executing a battery of precision verifications to lock down every angle of compliance and accuracy under IFRS for SMEs. It starts with core reconciliations, balancing assets to equity and liabilities, syncing cash flows across statements and notes, and validating statement of equity movements against statement of comprehensive income and statement of financial position for seamless equity tracking. Then it dives deeper, scrutinizing accounting policy coverage for all material items, cross-checking depreciation and amortization totals, probing tax computations for profit before tax alignment and effective rate reasonableness, ensuring detailed income statements match operating notes with separate disclosures for big-ticket expenses, and rigorously vetting related parties and financial instrument by category disclosures. It produces exhaustive, file-ready working papers that flag any omissions and errors above trivial thresholds. There are 2 additional features on the Finsight dashboard that I want to quickly highlight. First, if you'd like to view or download the financial statements that were used during the review, simply click View AFS or Download AFS right at the top of the dashboard. This is especially useful for version control, ensuring you always know exactly which financial statements were reviewed. Secondly, if you are part of an audit or accounting firm, you can click the Share with Firm button. This will instantly give all users linked to your firm access to the financial statements and any reports generated. This makes collaboration seamless and ensures that your entire team is always working from the same information. We also have a dedicated video that explains how to set up firm accounts and the benefits of shared access. You can find the link to that video in the description below. And that's Finsight in action. Try it today with $5 free credits, available for a limited time at prestigeai.tech. Like and subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching.